I am your math teacher Jeevita. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is factors and multiples. Now let us learn what is factor. Before going to that, we should know a small thing which you already know them, but let us do a small recap. Natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Numbers starting from 1 and it goes on till infinity. Means doesn't have end. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it goes on continuing. It doesn't end. The main thing is it starts from 1. This is called natural numbers. Next comes whole numbers. Whole numbers, it starts from 0. The only difference between natural numbers and whole numbers is natural number starts from 1, whole number starts from 0. 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. So what happens if I take away this 0? These numbers are natural numbers. Okay? So you now know what is whole number, natural number. Next number is odd numbers. What are odd numbers? You have learned in your first chapter. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. It goes on like that. So odd numbers are these. Next comes even numbers. So these concepts you have already learned in the first chapter. We are just doing a recap. Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even numbers. 10, 12, 14, it goes on. So natural number, whole number, odd number, even number. Next we go for factors. Now you can learn what is factors. Are you thinking why I am writing multiplication sentence here? Yes, factors are nothing but we will use multiplication in it. You know what it is called? Product. Which two numbers are giving this product? Which two numbers are getting multiplied to give this product? 1 and 5. So this 1 and 5 are called factors of 5. So what do you understand? Number which multiply and give the product. Okay? Those two numbers which are getting multiplied are called factors of the product number. Okay? So factors are the numbers which give a product. Okay? Understood this? Now let's go and learn some more. So let's take 12. So can you tell what are the factors of it? For finding which are the factors, you should know the table, children. So 12 comes in which all tables? Does it come in 1 1 Yes. 1 12 12. Next go and check for 2 1 It comes in 2 tables? Yes. 2 6 12. It comes in 3 1 Yes. 3 4 12. Next 4 1 But I already have 4 here. So no need of writing 4 1 again. When I get a number like this, my next number is already here. Then I stop. Okay? Now what are the numbers which I wrote here are all the factors of 12. You can say the family members of 12. Do you remember? So who are the family members of 12 here? 1, 2, 3. How I am writing this? Coming this way. And then from here I go here. 4, 6, 12. So all these are factors of 12. So say like this, if we give any other numbers, you will follow the same pattern and find the factors of them. Okay, now you know what are factors. In factors only you have different types. Before going for the different factors, we will learn about prime number and composite number. This is really very important concept. So understand it clearly, children. Prime number. What do you mean by prime number is? Any number which can be seen in one of the table and the number table. Only these two tables it should be seen. Example, let us say 7. 7. In which in our tables you can see 7? You can see 7 in one of the table. 1, 1, 1, 7, that's 7. Can you see in 2 on the, 3 on the, 4, 5, 6, 7 is already here. So let us stop. So I can see the factors of 7 here is 1 and 7. Only these two are the factors of 7. So you can see 1 and the number itself. So any number having the factors 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Example you can give is 2, 3, 4 is not a prime, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19 and it goes on. You have so many prime numbers. Okay, these are the few of the examples. So now you know what is prime number. So let's go for composite number. So opposite of prime number is called composite number. I told you composite is opposite of prime. So what is prime? It should have factors 1 and the number itself. But in composite, you should have more than 2 factors. Let's take 12. Now only we found out 12 family members. Factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 12 and so on. So these are factors of 12. You can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 factors. So more than 2. Then this number is 12 is called composite number. So let us make a small hint to remember this. So prime numbers are only father, mother. Only 2 numbers are there. Okay? Newly married couples, only father and mother. Only 2 members. They are called prime numbers. Composite numbers are numbers having a big number of family members. You have father, mother, children, sister, cousins, grandpa, grandma. You can take a joint family. Okay? So composite numbers are like joint family. They have many factors. Prime numbers are like only mama, papa. Small family. Only 2 factors. So this is about composite and prime factors. Now the last concept which you have to learn is the twin prime and co-prime. What is twin prime? So you know what is prime? 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all prime numbers. So what is the twin prime then? Any 2 numbers you take, you subtract them. Means you should always subtract bigger number by smaller number. The answer you get should always be 2. But here you don't get 2. You get 1. So this is not a twin prime. See this number. 7 minus 5. Answer is 2. So 7 and 5 are called twin prime. They are twins. Okay? Same like that, 5 minus 19 is 7. I get 2. So 9 and 7 is also a twin prime. Any 2 which gives the subtracted answer 2, or as you can say difference 2. Then those two numbers are called twin prime. So you can remember twins, children. Twins means how many? You should have 2 kids, no? Twins. Like that, if you subtract 2 numbers, you should get 2 prime numbers. Then it is called twin prime. Last is co-prime. So what is co-prime? Co-prime are numbers. It's not exactly the prime number. Don't get confused with the name. Prime, co-prime is not a prime number. Let's keep it in mind. Any number you can take. Example, I'm going to take 12 and 13. Okay. Now, I find the factors of 12 also. I'm going to find the factors of 13 also. So, factors of 12 is 1, 2, 6, or 3, 4, 12. These are factors of 12. Similarly, factors of 13 is 3 and 30 because this is the prime number. Now, this is factors of 12. This is factors of 13. Now, can you find any common factors in this? Common factors means same factors in both. You can see only one here and one here. That is, only one is common in both. So, these two numbers are called co-prime. So, what do you understand by this? Any two numbers who have a common factor of one only one you should have. You do not have any other number. You should have only one. That is one. Even if you have two common together, it is not co-prime. It has only one as its common factor. Only then it is called as co-prime number. So now we have finished learning about factors. Now let us see the textbook exercise and learn about factors more. So we learned what are factors. Now let us go for textbook exercise 3.2 and learn how do we find highest common factors. So you all know highest common factor means HCF. So first let us learn how to find the factors for 12. So we learned in the explanation part. How do you find the factors? 12 we start from first 1 ones are table. Do we have 12 in 1 ones are? Yes. 1 12 are 12. Next we go to 2 tables. Do you have 12 in 2 ones are? Yes. 2 6 are 12. Next 3 ones are. 3 4s are 12. Next we go for 4 ones are, but 4 I already have 4 here, right? Before going for the next number, check. If this number is here already, we will stop. So factors of 12 are, this is factors of 12. We'll write from here and then continue here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So you can see the factors always starts from 1. 1 is the smallest factor of any number. And the biggest factor of any number is the number itself. So like multiples, factors are not infinite. It doesn't carry on. It doesn't go on with numbers. It stops at a particular point and especially with the same number. Now this is factors. Similarly, let us take one more number 16 and find the factors of 16 also now. So factors of 16. Let's start from 1. 1 16s are 16. 2 8s are 16. In 3 ones do you have 16? No. Next 4 4s are 16. 2 times it's repeated. So let's stop it and write the factors of it. So what are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4. Don't repeat 4 2 times. 1 time is enough. And then next 8 and 16. So now we have found factors of 12, factors of 16. Can you see 1, 2 and 4? Here also 1, 2 and 4. These three numbers are common for 12 and 16. It is like common friends. 1, 2, 3 are 1, 2, 4 are friends with 12 also. 1, 2, 4 are friends with 16 also. So such numbers are called common factors. CF, common factors. So common factors of 12 and 16 here are 1, 2 and 4. So now you learned what is common factors. So in this, which is the highest common factor? Means very big. Highest means big. So which is the biggest number here is 4. So the highest common factor is 4. So now you understood what is highest common factor. Now let's go and find the highest common factor of some numbers. But not in this method. We will be learning another method called prime factor method. So I'll teach you how to do that. So let's take exercise 3.2. First I'm going to start with the simple number. First one, 20 and 30. So what do you mean by prime factor? Prime factorization means you have to divide the number, go on dividing again. So normal division we use like this, but here we are going to divide again and again, so we are going to use this symbol. And I am not given the number from which we should divide. That I should only decide. And always I should take the smallest number which I can divide with. So I can take 1, but I get the same answer. So I can take 2. 2 tens are 20. Now I got the answer 10. Again I should divide this 10 with 2 because that is the smallest number which it divides. 5 are 10. Now I cannot divide 5 with 1, 2, 3, 4 or any number. So I should divide 5 with 5 only because it's a prime number. So I finished dividing 20 here. Now let's divide 30 also similarly. 30. Can I divide it with 2? Yes. 2 15s are 30. You can go for 3 also, but I already told you, you should take the first smallest number. Next 15, it goes in 3 ones. It doesn't come in 2 ones. It goes only in 3 ones. So 3 5s are 15. Divide it again. 5 ones are 5. When I get 1 like this, I am supposed to stop. So I finished prime factorizing both. This is called prime factorization. I prime factorize 20 also. I prime factorize 30 also. Now let us write the prime factors of 20 are nothing but the answers which you have got this side. That is 2, you should write into 2 into 5. Write this multiplication sign in between. Next let us find the prime factor of 30. That is 2 into 3 into 5. Now which are the common factors here? Let's circle them. 2 is common, 5 is common. So let us take only the common numbers which I have circled. So the common factors which I have circled is 2. I will not write 2 times. Both the 2's I will join and write 1 time. Into 5 here. So the highest common factor will be multiplying these common factors. That is 2 5s are 10. So the highest common factor in this 2 is 10. See, 2 is also common in 2, both. 3 is not common. 5 is common in both. But I want only the highest of it. So highest when I find is by doing like this. Prime factorize method. This is called as prime factorization method. You have one more method called long division method. I will teach in the next class. So let us do one more sum for understanding, where I take a bigger number. I take the last sum 75 and 125. Let's check it out. L 75 and 125. So let's prime factorize them first. 75. So I can't do it with 5. So let's do it with, I can't do it with 2. So I'm going to do it with 5. 5 ones are 5, 2 remainder. I'm dividing it, children. If you are not able to divide it like this, you can normal use division and write the answer here. If you divide the 75 with 5, you get 15 as your answer. Next, I can take 3. 3 5s are 15. Next, again I will take 5 1s are 5. So I should stop because I got 1 here. So let's factorize the next number, 125. So I start with 5 again. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. When you divide this, you get the answer 25. Next, 5 5s are 25. Again, 5 1s are 5. So I got 1. I'll stop. Now let's write the factors here. The prime factors of 75 are 5 into 3 into 5. The next prime factor of 125 are 5 into 5 into 5. So now common factors here are one pair of 5 and one more pair of 5. So I write this 5 one time and this 5 one time. So there are common factors, 2 5s. Okay. So the highest common factor will be 5 into 5 is 25. This is the highest common factor between 75 and 125. So children, now you have understood what is highest common factors and how to find it using the prime factorization method. In the next class, we will be learning about long division method. I will send you notes in YOLO. So this note is not for copying, only for explanation part. I have written it down here. So don't copy this, children. And please do try other sums which you feel like trying. And then once I give you the notes, you can check your answers. Thank you. If you have any doubt, let's meet up in the interactive class.